Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in tech and innovation. Today, we're diving into what we call the best Rift VR headset, the ZYbesthao VR headset for iPhone and Android phones. This isn't just another gadget, it's your personal gateway to a 3D immersive world that fits right into your pocket. Let's start with what makes this headset stand out. The ZYbesthao VR headset delivers a true 3D immersive experience with a 110-degree wide field of view and 360-degree surround sound. Whether you're climbing a snowy mountain, diving deep into the ocean, or sitting courtside at a live basketball game, this headset makes every moment feel lifelike. The visuals are razor sharp, and the sound envelops you from all directions, making you forget you're sitting in your living room. One of the biggest advantages here is its wireless Bluetooth connection. No tangled cords, no setup hassle. Just connect your phone via Bluetooth, slip it into the headset, and you're ready to enter another world. The 55mm high-definition lenses produce crisp, clear visuals, while the built-in 50mm diaphragm headphone unit gives you deep, immersive audio. It's the kind of combination that makes movies feel cinematic and games feel intense. Compatibility is another strong point. This headset supports most iPhones and Android phones within the 4.7 to 6.2 inch range, with full screen support up to 6.5 inches. However, do note that it doesn't fit some of the largest phones like the iPhone 16 Pro Max or the Galaxy S24 Ultra. What makes this headset even better is its portability. It folds down to just over 6 inches and weighs only 0.8 pounds. That means you can easily slip it into your backpack or even a handbag. The materials used are ultra-light, ensuring comfort even during long viewing sessions. Whether you're on a long flight or lounging at home, this headset goes wherever you go. And let's not forget its appeal as a gift. The ZYbesthao VR headset is perfect for anyone who loves tech, entertainment, or gaming. It's a fantastic choice for holidays, birthdays, or special occasions. Imagine the smile on someone's face when they unwrap a gift that lets them explore entire worlds from their couch. So to wrap it up, the ZYbesthao VR headset for iPhone and Android phones is a well-rounded device that combines convenience, comfort, and cutting-edge design. It transforms your smartphone into a personal IMAX theater and gaming arena, making it one of the most versatile and exciting VR headsets you can own today. If you're looking for an affordable way to experience the next level of entertainment, this headset is absolutely worth checking out. This has been Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews of the best gadgets on the market. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.